we've added in an extra secure cage so that the gerbils have more time to play and they don't have time to escape. So let's hope that this time they can't get Meg's new toy.
We need to escape. Yeah, new toy. We need it now. How will we escape? Oh, look at this black bucket. We can climb into her.
Okay, Meg, because the gerbils took your Lego plane, we've got you this really cool robot arm to build. Let me go.
We need to get out of here. Yeah. This is Meg's toy. It's in the box. It's in the box. Wow, this is really cool. Right, let's get out of here. Open. It's all in the cockpit. Why need a toy? Burn. You should try it, Pop. Meg, where's your toy? Is your gerbils taking it? Tom's taking your robot arm. Wow, I'm driving the robot arm.
Now then, Meg, because the gerbil's taken your present again, how do you feel about that?
I'm really sad about that. I'm really upset. I just wish they stopped taking all my things. Oh, I'm starting to get really angry. Sweet belly,